Hey guys, it's Marsh from Katie and Marsh. I do not know if that just played, but hopefully it did. And today we are going to be, this is Robloxian Life episode 2. Let's get into it. I'm sorry there is a circle on my mouse. That is not my choice. Might be the screen recorders. And yes, I'm wearing my robe. I am up in Michigan right now. It's very, well, not snowy, but I'd say it's snowing now. Like 15 degrees out right now. So, God. Did I hit teens or did I go for like something else? Okay, yep, no, for teens. Okay. So as I remember, my roleplay name. No, my name's not Roddy. So tomorrow I might be able to post more YouTube videos because I got a half day at school tomorrow for conferences and crap. So I'm just like, okay, Nia. Just like I'm running like a step. Rain tacos. That's how I'm playing. You guys can't hear it, sadly. Tacos. No need to ask why. I'll sing it for you. Open your mouth and close your eyes. It's rain tacos. Tacos. Oh, you can eat. I'm upgrading the person so you guys can see. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum. It's all green. Yum, 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 yum. It's sour cream. Yes, cheese, cheese, cheese. It's raining tacos. Rainy tacos. Rainy tacos. I'm sorry, you guys can't hear. That's kind of what I'm playing my phone. Okay, let's go to the movie theater. I gotta move the camera. So, shout out to Screencast-O-Matic. They did not sponsor me yet, if you guys are watching. Please sponsor me, man. Okay. Yo, thanks. If you guys want to sponsor me, I don't want any money if you guys do sponsor me. I just want to be sponsored by the people I'm recording this with. You're cute! Yeah! Can't believe a ticket now is like 50, dude. Back in my old days, tickets were 35. Hi, Bunny, can I put you? Sorry, I stopped. There was a fan going on in the house. If you guys do not know, there's like, I don't want to say it on our channel because we're kid friendly, but there is a criminal going around Michigan. This is pretty creepy. You can't even sit in these seats! These are crap! Okay, hang on, let's walk up the street. Crap! Dirt on you. So I am trying to spend the night at Caitlin's on my birthday weekend so we can record. That's all I want. I yelled, "You're on YouTube." Might say, God damn. Say hi. Wait, say hi. Say hi to you. Say hi to YouTube. You guys can watch the comments so they can say hi. Say hi, YouTube. Why not? Like, why not? Someone says I hate you, I'm gonna be mad. But you're on. Right. You're on right now. Don't put my real name because I don't want people finding out. You're on right now. Hey, everyone, say hi. Say hi to him. Wait, okay. No, I'm gonna act like I'm a cop. Please open up. I can't get banned. I'm on Builder. If I could get banned, I'm not on Builder. Can't get banned. I'm like, nah. I'm just like, nah. We're gonna stalk him. Nah. She opens the door for the person that's gonna leave. Nah. I'm like, nah. Yeah. I'm in the house, dude. I'm in the house. I'm in the hill, dude. Come on, like a hill. We got it. We got it. Hide. Quicker, quicker, quicker. Get it. I can't get in. Crap. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Wait. Wait. She's out. She says out. I'm waiting. She don't put it on it. I'm not in here. She doesn't know I'm in here. I don't think she can see me. I think she's just hanging out now because she knows I'm looking at chat. GT. Wait, nah. I'm like, nah. I'm just like, nah. I ain't gonna leave. No, I'm like, nah. I'm like, nah, dude. Nah. Won't leave. Like, I don't care if I don't know how to spell. I'm a criminal. Nah, I won't leave. I'm a criminal. She left. I got her so pissed. I got her so mad. She left. She left. Oh my god. She left. You see it? It looks like I have like a black eye. Dude, she left. God, hang on. I got her so bad. She laughed. Wait, what the? Wait! Oh, crap. I bought a ticket! Oh, shoot. Well, now I'm locked in the house. Let's go, we'll stay here. Dude, this is our house. Okay, this is the YouTube mansion now. This is my seat. That's Katie's, and these are two people if they want to say. What? No one's on anything. What's up, homies? Today, we will be just walking around like a savage. I can't walk with a selfie stick. No way out. I'm not resetting because this is the YouTube house. Okay, let's go in. I'm gonna call this episode Robloxian Live Episode 2 Breaking and Entering. Dude, I think he left. Oh, crap. See how much sweeter this house is than the others. Dude, I could have done that before she came. I could have done this. Look at, I'm up here. So I go in. I'm up here, facing like this. I could have went like this. Dude, look at this. So she wouldn't see me as well. She did, dude. Cause look, you're like, well, I do not know what. Yep, this is how we walk now. I can't jump. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see if we can limbo it. Can we limbo style? Help! Might help. Like, who was that girl talking to me when I was like, hey, not. Maddie Bear! Maddie, live. Just let me out. Maddie, I'll leave. Just let me out. Dude, we're just hiding from the babysitter. Oh my god, shit. Stay here. Okay, wait. Wait, dude, I'm gonna try doing this. Nah. Still in. Wait, what? Where's my oh, crap. Okay, hang on. Now I can't find out. I'm not getting out. Well, okay, we'll go over here. Stay like this so she can't see us. She's looking in the window. She can't go like that. See us. Okay, guys. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and soon we might be making some merch.